Hi everybody, my name is Sarah Lean and I'm a cloud advocate at Microsoft. I've been speaking in front of customers and audiences for about 3 or 4 years now, and over that time I've become quite handy at using PowerPoint, and today I want to take you through one of those tips that I've learnt. So let's dive in.
So often I'll receive PowerPoint presentations with some awesome graphics, and I want to reuse those graphics either to highlight a point that's happened or being displayed within the graphic, or utilise it for something else, a blog post or a thumbnail for YouTube videos, etc. And always being mindful of people's copyrights, etc. But I received a bunch of graphics within a PowerPoint presentation from our marketing team, and there were some awesome graphics of the raccoon bit that we use in the Cloud Advocate team as our unofficial mascot. And I'd never seen these graphics before, and I wanted to try and leverage them within video content, and I wasn't sure how the best way of doing that was, and I actually stumbled across this. So within PowerPoint, if you see a graphic or an insert into your PowerPoint presentation, if you right click on that graphic, there's an option to save as picture. Now, I'd never found this before and I thought it was pretty cool. So when you click on save as picture, you're given the option to save this as an external object. So you can pick it as a JPEG, a PNG, there's TIFF, there's a whole host of options there. So you can take that and just save that, and then it's available for you to utilise in other formats as well. So hopefully this tip is something that you didn't know and is helpful to you. Thank you for watching.